Magandang araw mga kabayan! If you're like me and you usually run out of ideas how to cook your chicken, itry natin na sabay-sabay ang paggawa ng homemade chicken tocino. So our first step is to prepare for the chicken and our marinade. Uumpisa lang natin sa pagtanggal ng skin ng chicken. In my case, tinatabi ko po lahat ng balat ng chicken. And I freeze them para magamit ko sila for future as a topping for other dishes. And then, we move on to deboning the chicken thigh. So, as you can see, I start slicing both ends nung bone. And then, hinihiwa ko siya sa likod. In that way, we can get the whole piece of the chicken thigh meat. And then, we just proceed with doing the same thing dun sa iba pa nating chicken thigh. Of course, you can skip this process totally if you manage to buy yung skinless and already boneless chicken thigh. Again, just to emphasize the no to food waste, gagamitin ko din yung chicken bones natin instead of just throwing them out for chicken broth for future purposes. Next off is ang ating finely minced garlic. So I'm using, in this case, about 6 to 7 pieces of garlic at pupukin lang natin, and we make sure that it's going to be finely minced. And then we proceed with the other ingredients sa ating marinade by starting off with a cup of pineapple juice. And then 2 tablespoons of ketchup. 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. 1 teaspoon of achuete powder. Yung ating finely minced garlic. Salt and pepper to taste. So we just have to blend all the ingredients together hanggang ma-mix na po lahat. And then pag well blended na, we just have to soak in our boneless chicken thigh. And make sure na bawat isang piraso is mababad dun sa marinade. And then we just cover with cling wrap and leave this overnight, or at least a minimum of 4 hours. So the next day, i-take out lang natin from the fridge yung ating marinated chicken. And then we start putting them sa already heated pan. I intentionally added yung sauce or yung marinade natin para makatulong to sa pagpapalambot ng ating chicken. So, hinain lang natin yung kalan and lulutuin natin hanggang ma-cook through yung meat natin. And then we let it dry out, and as soon as matuyo na yung ating mga chicken out of the marinade, we can start pouring on a little bit of oil para ma-start na yung frying process. This will then just take about 10 minutes on both sides. Obviously, ang ating goal is to have that dark color or yung medyo black na kulay as a sign of caramelized sugar ng ating tocino. Tocino, of course, is best served with our sinangag na linuto natin dun sa pinagprituhan ng ating tocino para wala pa ring sayang. Best served also with fried eggs, scrambled or sunny side up. And there goes our tosilog with our homemade tocino. Enjoy!